I'm a pilot. Let me show you the 8 flight phases passengers never see. Before you even board, we're busy with pre-flight checks, calculating weight, fuel, and reviewing weather patterns. Once you're settled, we begin taxiing, navigating complex airport pathways using ground control guidance. Takeoff isn't just going fast. We're monitoring engine performance, calculating exact rotation speed, and coordinating with tower control. During climb, we're constantly adjusting power, retracting landing gear, and navigating through congested airspace. Cruise might seem peaceful, but we're managing fuel efficiency, monitoring systems, and navigating weather patterns. Descent requires precise timing. We're calculating optimal rates while preparing aircraft systems. Approach is our most demanding phase, configuring flaps, deploying landing gear, and maintaining perfect alignment with the runway. Landing involves managing crosswinds, executing the flare maneuver, and controlling deceleration. Finally, during taxi and shutdown, we're completing checklists and preparing the aircraft for its next journey, all before you've even grabbed your bags.